मायकल लोबो आसूये मिका सिंग जो कोण बेकायदेशीर कामां करतलो ताचेर कारवाय जातलीच अशें टीसीबी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन सांगलां. पीडीएस जमिनीत केल्ल्या घोटाळ्या आड टीसीबी खात्याक खर कारवाय सुरू केल्या. मायकल लोबोच्या 2 हॉटेलाक बेकायदेशीर बांदकाम केल्ले खातीर टीसीबी खात्यान नोटीसूय धाडला. तशेंच हणजुनात मिका सिंगान केल्ल्या बेकायदेशीर बांदकामाचेर टीसीबी खातें कारवाय करतलो अशी शिटकावणी विश्वजीत राणेन दिल्या.
We want business sentiment, we want people to invest in the state of Goa. Everybody who has got their rightful things will continue to do business in the state of Goa. But if somebody has taken tenanted land or converted a non-development slope or converted Khazan lands, I think all the media is in agreement with me that these things should not happen. Otherwise you will see who is bringing people, who has partnered with people coming from North India and from Delhi and other things. Who is partnered? Who are these 30% partners? Who are these 40% partners? Let me be very frank and clear. There is no witch hunt here. It is in general on tenanted land, tender on NDZ. If anybody, whoever, how big it is, whether it is Mika Singh or whoever, action must be taken on the people and violators.